What's up, Mr. Beatty? Once again, I'm going to show you how to change a humidifier on your furnace. That allows the air in your house to be moist and not dry. When you go to sleep, you be coughing and stuff. I'm going to show you exactly one of the reasons why you may be coughing, other than the dust that be coming through the ducts. Let's go in here and see. Furnace, Aprilaire. That's all my ductwork going into my furnace. This what is a problem from some people. Take it off. Oh, there it is. Look at that. That's the filter all dried out and everything. I mean, so dried out, I'll show you. Dried out. You don't want this in your humidifier. It's all dry. There you go. See that right there? So if you got this problem, change it so you can breathe better. And you can actually utilize your humidifier properly. Change your filter. Change your filter. Her. Not his. Her. Filter change.